Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting accounts and tools ready. Sign in and secure your Google account. This prevents checkout hiccups. Once done, install a reliable price tracker and set alerts for the exact app or in-app item you want. Also enroll in Google Play Points and use Google Opinion rewards to build credit slowly. These steps create the foundation that lets you stack legitimate discounts and catch extreme sales when they drop. Don't skip them. Now you focus on sourcing discounts and stacking them. Monitor Play Store sales and developer promos. Sometimes apps go free or 90% off for launch events. Join developer beta programs for free access. You can sometimes receive promo codes directly. Accumulate play points, then exchange them for coupons, and check reputable retailers for discounted Google Play gift cards. Combine a gift card with a promo code and Play Points coupon to reach extreme savings legally. Keep timing in mind. Finish by applying discounts at purchase. Redeem a gift card balance first, then apply any promo code, and finally redeem Play Points coupons if allowed. Make sure your account region and payment method match the promo's requirements. Mismatches cause rejections. If the total still isn't low enough, wait. Flash sales recur. If a code fails, check expiration, eligible items, and your account region. Contact the developer or Google support only after verifying those constraints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.